Hello everyone and welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share the ultimate guideline how to become a digital marketing expert or how to start your career as a digital marketer. So here you will get the step-by-step guideline that you can follow and start learning, and finally you will be a digital marketing expert and you can make a lot of money from sitting at your home as a freelancer or start a home-based digital marketing service agency. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to learn what is digital marketing. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brand to connect with potential customers using the internet and other form of digital communication. So I hope you understand what is actually digital marketing. In general, digital marketing is a method that we will use via digital device or digital platform, like using Google, using internet, using Facebook, TikTok, video platform like YouTube, or email marketing. So now we are going to know what are the type of digital marketing. Okay, importance component of digital marketing. Below are the most basic and important component which a digital marketing expert should know in and out. Number 1, content marketing, search engine optimization, that's called SEO, search engine marketing, that's called SEM, then paid search, also called pay-per-click, content automation, influencer marketing, campaign marketing, data-driven marketing, e-commerce marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, that's called SMM, social media optimization, that's called SMO, display marketing, video marketing, mobile marketing, game advertisement, web analytics reporting, and Google Search Console. Actually, all are not the same important to learn for you to as a digital marketing expert. You will only learn the most important and high demanding skill or method that you can use to bring more traffic and get more sales for your product or for your service. Okay, now let's move on the next. As I said already, all are not the same importance. Here is the small list of digital marketing type that you can focus as a beginner, and you can see that there are 12 methods that I have selected and marked with different color. For example, email marketing is green color, there is a reason, of course. Then social media marketing, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, inbound marketing, web and data management, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce marketing, performance marketing, social media optimization, and video marketing. And right now you should focus on this skin very carefully. Looks at the number 1, at the top of number 1, I mark email marketing as a green color, with green color because email marketing is a evergreen digital marketing method. A lot of things has been changed and a lot of platform or method has been appear or come at our hand, but email marketing is not changed or down still now. You can think about Skype. Skype was most popular platform for video calling or video meeting, but right now no one like to use Skype, and most of new online user or internet user don't like to use Skype. People like to use WhatsApp or Imo, Google Meet or Zoom, but at the same time people are using email, and maximum internet user first check their email at the morning. So hope you understand why I mark this email marketing method with green color and make it number 1 method and most important. Then social media marketing is very important and trending method right now to reach very quickly millions people instantly with your product or service. So social media marketing is very important method right now, and you can use social media marketing for reach more people with minimum cost. Then search engine marketing, but I don't make it as important like social media marketing. But if you look at the number 4, search engine optimization, SEO, that is most important or high demanding skill right now on digital marketing platform. And then there have a lot of type of marketing method, but I make the video marketing at the end of this list, high demanding skill. So if you want to become a digital marketing expert for a short time goal, you can start learning social media marketing to learn very quickly and start making money as a freelancer. Also, you can start learning search engine optimization and video marketing, of course, booming right now. But for long time goal and make huge money, you should focus on email marketing. So I hope you understand how to select your target method of digital marketing and become a digital marketing expert. Then, as a career, if you want to know about digital marketing career opportunity, then you can check out this link, and then you can understand very easily why you should learn digital marketing, why you should become a digital marketing expert. Of course, this is high demanding career and skill right now and will be in future as right now. Now the big question, how to learn digital marketing? Okay, there are two methods. Number 1, training center. You can join any training center to learn digital marketing. And number 2, from internet. From internet, you can learn with free method or paid method. For free, you can use Google, YouTube, and of course, you can use social media for communicate with senior digital marketer to understand digital marketing industry or get the support other senior people. Also, if you are okay to join any paid course, then you can join Udemy. By completing this course, you can become easily a digital marketing expert. But one thing you should remember always, if you don't start any real life project after learning digital marketing, you never can be a digital marketing expert. Even you never can make any single money from internet, because your client, your customers want to see the result, not your certificate. So I hope you understand what I said. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this guideline is helpful for you to learn digital marketing or become a digital marketing expert, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about digital marketing or want to get the training support from me, then you can subscribe this channel. I will share a lot of video marketing tutorials, guideline, resource, and of course upload the course. Then you can learn easily from this YouTube channel. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day.